Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with hashtag 30 weeks of pocket letter week 4. Due to the fact that right around the corner is 4th of July, I thought I would do a 4th of July themed pocket letter. So let me show you. And it's cluttered. I kind of got into this one a little too much, but I like it. So we're going to start up here on the first roll. It's Uncle Sam. And I use all patriotic paper. I have gems going all the way down the edge. And I got a little ribbon and gems here and there, and got fireworks. And of course I got Uncle Sam here, and I have this star, and I got a bowl and some more gems. Then in here I got this cluster of gems, and it says red, white, and blue. And I got bling going and little silver stars. Got a heart here. I got the United States flag here. Got some more bling. Got a little firework. I'll show you the first row. Second row, I got some United States flag, a little heart. I got this little star and some bling. Got some little stars, bling, and then I got this cluster of gems in the center. Got a white star here, some more bling. Got an apple, and some flags and a little cluster of the stars. Got a cluster here, some more gems. I got gems going all the way down this edge as well. And that's the center. American pie. Apple. Third row. Underneath I have a flag, firecracker. I have USA, a blue star, a cluster, and then celebrate with some stars. Bling, bling. Got this glitter going across. Over here I got some flags hanging. I got the house. I got some bling and a little star. Forgot I got that glitter running across. I got stars running across the top. As you can see. Here, I'll show you on the bottom. I got going across the bottom as well. Got USA. So I'll show you again, and then we'll turn it over because I do both sides. So we got Uncle Sam. It's the first row. Then it's the second. Then it's the third. This is the edge here. And then the edge here. And then I will turn it over. And I had these cute little stickers of these like bears. And I thought I would use them. So I got United States flag going across, washi tape, bling going down the edge here, bling going down the edge here. This is the edge here. I got the same ribbon, of course. Got these stars on this edge. So you got the little bear, he's surfing. I got a little flags in there. He's holding the flag. Then in the center I got the United States flag, and then I have the little flags that are on the string up here. Got some bling over here. You got the little bear, she's reading a book. Got some bling, some hearts. Second row is a little gal with her watermelon and her umbrella, and I got some bling. In the center I got Happy 4th of July. Got the little bears in a swimming pool. Got some hearts that have the flag on it as well. Down here is some stars. Over here is a little bear holding some lemonade. Got the United States flag, the heart, some more bling, some stars going in. Here I got the United States flag. Got a banner of flags, the heart, like a flag. Over here is a little bear fishing. Got the United States flag. Flag coming down, some more bling. And then going through the center of washi tape and the United States flag down here. I got washi tape going through the center with some blue and white. So it's the bottom row. This one's blinged up for sure. It's 4th of July. Gotta celebrate with the big bang, right? So let's see. We'll start it there. I'm trying to make sure you guys can see it. And then we'll go back to the front. And I felt one of these fall off, but I don't know where, so I guess it's not needed. I don't know where it came off. Nope, I don't know. Well, but that is my week 4 of the hashtag 30 pocket. 30, oh my God. Hashtag 30 weeks of pocket letters. This is week 4. And it's easy to join. You don't have to send anything out. You just create a pocket letter. You upload the video on Wednesdays. And you share what you create. And I hope you join in the fun. I'm enjoying this. Like I said, this one I kind of got blingy. But hey, like I said, it's 4th of July. It's supposed to be boom. So I'm going to show you just one more time real quick. So I thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. And see you on the next one. Bye.